If you want to get your air fryer basket from this to this, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with my Power Air Fryer XL, and y'all know I love to use this. This is one of my favorite things to cook with, and if any of you have one, you all know that it's an easy cleanup, but over time this gunk gets built up. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get rid of this gunk so you'll have a nice deep cleaned air fryer to cook your recipes in. All right guys, so what you do is you just put it in your sink, and let me show you this real quick up close. I just warmed up some chicken in here for dinner today, and it was fried chicken I already made, and I just warmed it up. But anyway, so it's not dirty from that. This is just the gunk that's built up on the inside after months and months of use. And that's what it looks like an old pot or old pan. And yeah, you just need to clean it really good. So what you do is you lock it back down in there. And what I am going to use is this distilled white vinegar, baking soda, and Dawn, the grease fighter. And you guys, I know a lot of videos tell you, or even the manual may tell you, to clean it with baking soda. You know, it gives you different suggestions. But what they don't tell you is that you need hot water, and that's boiling hot water, and lots of time. Yeah, this thing has to soak. So we're going to go ahead and take this back out here. We're going to sprinkle on our baking soda. I'm going to put in this Dawn. And Dawn is thick and it coats, so you can put some just kind of running along the sides if you want. I'm going to put in about 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar. See how it's foaming up? I'm going to go ahead and do 1/2 cup. And here's where the magic comes in. We're going to put in hot water, boiling hot water. You can fill it up a little more. We're going to do that. I'm back. It's been about 5 minutes and it's still super hot. You can see the steam still rising, but the foam has just gone down. So we're going to go ahead and fill it with the rest of the hot water. I want that full so that it comes all the way up to here. So I am going to put just some hot water out of the tap. And it gets really, really hot in the tap too. So I'm just going to add the tap, the hot, real hot scalding tap. I'm going to add it to there. And it shouldn't change the temp too much at all. And there we go. Now we are just going to sit and wait for a good 4 hours. Or you can let it sit overnight, and we're going to come back and scrub it clean. Alright guys, so I am back, and it's just about an hour later. I didn't wait the whole 4 hours because I saw where it started scrubbing off. I started scrubbing off in a little spot over there, and it started coming off. So I'm going to go ahead and see what 1 hour will do. It's still smoking, as you all can see. If y'all can see right here, it's still super hot. but I don't have all night, so we're going to go ahead and see what this vinegar, baking soda, and Dawn can do in 1 hour. So let me scoot it up closer so you all can see better, and I'm going to try to angle myself so I'm not in the way of the camera. And I'm not going to empty the water out of there. Notice it's going to take a little elbow grease. So if for some reason it does not come off with this 1 hour, since the water is still steaming hot, I'll let it sit longer. But let's see what it does after this 1 hour. I'll turn off the camera and come back. Alright, so I've been scrubbing in that spot for about 3 minutes now. Let me rinse it and show you all what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So it is coming clean, but it's taking a lot of elbow grease. So I am going to let it sit in that hot water longer. Alright guys, so side note. During the filming of this video, I called my sister and we got our air fryers within like a week or a week and a half of each other. And I asked her, I FaceTimed her. I said, let me see your basket, your Power XL, fry basket. And she got hers out, and hers is in pristine condition. It looks like she never used it. I said, you don't use yours too often, do you? She said, I use it all the time. I was like, well, why is mine looking like this? And she said every time she used hers, she would put hers in hot water. She said she didn't use any soap on it or anything. And she would just put it in hot water, sit it for a few minutes, and then wipe it out with a paper towel while it was hot. And I said, okay. And then we started kind of conversing back and forth and just kind of figured out what I had done wrong. I sprayed the things in my basket. She put spray, she said, like directly on her chicken or directly on the item before she puts it in the basket. She doesn't spray it while it's in the basket. So I spray my French fries. I spritz and spray with olive oil and oil, my food, whether it's chicken, chops, or, the French fries or whatever. And so when I go to take, and especially when I do my French fries, the basket is not dirty. It's just, it's fried, the French fries, and you spray it. So it's not like oily, like if you do pork chops or bacon or burgers or something like that. After you do French fries, all you need to do is wipe it out and sit it, but you should clean it. What I did, because it was looking clean, is I just wiped it out with paper toweling and stuck it right back in there. And when I would go to use it again, even though it looked clean, the oils would bake on it. So over time, the oils have just baked on, baked on, baked on. So clarification, every time I would make raw meat, I would wash the basket in hot soapy water. But when I made French fries or just warming something up, I would just wipe the basket out really good. And it's just, yeah. So clean your basket each time you use it in hot water and wipe it out with a towel, and you'll be good to go. So I'll probably need to get a new basket, but for now, I'm gonna clean this one. Back to the video. All right, you guys, so I have discovered the key to what's making it come off really good. In addition to the vinegar, baking soda, and Dawn, it's scrubbing it while it's hot. It's time and scrubbing it while it's hot. Okay, y'all, I am learning as I go with this. I'm learning right along with y'all. Look, put the hot water just right on the basket. Use the scouring side of this. And look, okay, I'm gonna do it right here so y'all can see it. Look, the hot water, and along with a little bit of soapy water, gets this off. Looky. Okay. Y'all, look at that. Okay, I gotta get up under these crevices. Get it up under that hot water. That hot water ain't no joke. Look at that. Oops. Look at that. Versus this. Okay, I'm about to get on over here. All right, guys. I just put some Dawn in here as the final wash. Y'all, I done something. Look at that. Look at that. As the kids say, stop playing with me. I am too excited, though. It took a while, and I had to kind of come up with a formula because I had been looking for videos on how to clean this thing. Some people, you know, wasn't the same kind of basket. It wasn't, you know, theirs wasn't as grimy, and I am not ashamed to come on with this because I've seen plenty of people's baskets when they were cooking on YouTube looking like this. And also people trying to clean it. Some was way worse. So look at that. Look at that. Excited. Look at that. Clean, y'all. Clean. I didn't think it was going to come too clean, but it did. Look at that. So y'all can do it. Okay? Remember, let it set for a while. Start loosening up everything. And then, y'all, you have to put some elbow grease into it. And then just go ahead and rub it while hot water is running on it. It's going to use up a little hot water. But y'all, look. Look. This isn't dirt right here. This is like a groove right here. This is off, unfortunately, the finish. But that's on the underside. But yeah, look, it's clean. It's clean. It's clean. Like brand new. I did not think it was going to do that, y'all. I am so happy. All right, so that's what you have to do is let it soak and then wash it while the water is running hot. Put that Dawn baking soda and vinegar on it, and there you go. And you guys, the inside of my, I guess oven, if you want to say, the inside of this never got messed up. This is very much non-stick, and there you go. Just about it like new. All right, thanks for watching.